Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the paper Gerbera daisy. All the materials and the template for the Cricut or Silhouette cutting machines will be listed below the video. First, you'll start with the template listed as Gerbera 3, and we need 2 of those. And we need 4 pieces of the 4th pattern. And you can follow the sizing guide I have in the template as well. I take a stack of 2 each and use a small scoring ball tool that I'll be listing below and draw 1 to 2 lines on each petal. This will give the petal a nice texture. Then I'll be curling in each petal, and I like to work in stacks of 2, but if it's too difficult to shape with the stack, you could work 1 at a time. After curling in each petal, I also take the tips and slightly curl it out. Put the flower petals on the side and now find the center pattern called Gerbera 1 and 2. I used a dark purple paper to cut 8 of these and take 1 and roll up 5 of them. You should have 3 left. Then you'll need to cut 2 more of the same pattern on your flower color along with the Gerbera 2 pattern on the same color paper as your flower petals. After 5 of the dark center is rolled up together, you will need to add the flower color and dark center and roll together for 2 pieces. Next, you'll need 4 small Gerbera 2 pattern, 4 medium of the 2 pattern, 4 large of the 2 pattern. The sizing will be listed in the template. Curl them in on one side, and for the largest size, I like to also add the scoring lines on each petal to add that texture. It's a small detail, but I felt like it looked best when it had this extra detail. First, add the first two of the smallest piece. Then grab the last dark center and add the smallest piece of the Gerbera 2 pattern along the edge. And then some of the medium size after and roll that onto the center. Then add the rest of the larger size pieces in the center. Once you have all the pieces together, gently bring back only the last few layers of the second pattern. I like to keep the dark center together and gradually pull back the layers. You should see the small detail, the dark center and petal color center mixing in together. Next, bring back the petals and pair them up. Take the Gerbera 3 pair and glue by crisscrossing the layers. Do the same to the next pair and the next. Once the pairs are together, go backwards and add the Gerbera 4 pattern together and then the third on top. You should see the smallest one on top. Then add the center and push up all the petals towards the center so all the glue catches onto the flower and reshape more if you need. Then cut 2 pieces of the bottom leaf shape on green paper and poke a hole in the center for both. Then grab a thicker floral wire and curl one end. Then poke it through the bottom leaf and add glue on the wire tip. Then glue that on the bottom of the flower. Make sure you have enough glue so it is fully anchored on the flower. Then crisscross the second leaf and glue that onto the bottom. Lastly, floral tape the wire. I love how these flowers come in a variety of color and they also have yellow-green centers, so I wanted to show you the difference when you change the center. You can make a variety of different colors. Please like this video below and subscribe. Thank you for watching.